In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp profile picture not showing to others. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up WhatsApp application and then go into Settings. Here, tap Add Account, then Privacy, and right here tap Add Profile Photo. By default, this option set to everyone, but if in your case it's set to nobody, for example, it means that nobody is able to see your profile picture. So in order to fix that problem, just set this option to everyone or to my contacts. If some specific person cannot see your profile picture, it probably means that you blocked this person. And in that case, all you have to do is in privacy, hit unblocked. Here I got 9 blocked contacts and none of that contacts is able to see my profile picture. And if you want to show your profile picture to someone from that list, all you have to do is swipe to the left at that person's phone number and then hit on unblock to unblock that number. Write down in the comments below if it helps you, and don't forget to like and subscribe.